Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I just want to show you something I picked up at a local auction, and it was an online auction. I think it was out there for 6 or 7 days, and it's run basically like an eBay where you just put your maximum bid in, and it'll keep doing that proxy type bidding for you until it gets up past your maximum bid. So I put in a bid for this, and thought it was a pretty good deal. Not a great deal, but a pretty good deal. Always looking to add more to the bullion collection. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here we go. Although it's in an American Eagle tube, United States Treasury, they're not American Silver Eagles. They're something else. But I appreciate them giving me the tube because I have bought these off eBay, and I think they can be, $3 or $4 a piece. So that adds to the deal slightly. Nice tubes for sure. But what we have is we have ourselves some Libertads. Libertads. Call them what you will. Alright, so what do we have here? Let's take a look. We have 11 of them. And it said random dates. But if you take a look, the first one is 2008. And okay, so it was listed as various dates, and you can see here the first one's a 2008. Pretty nice. Nice little hunk of bullion. Let's go ahead and just drop it over on the coin cam. Take a look. Oops, she's out of focus. Let me get her in focus, and then we'll straighten her out a little bit. There we go. It's a little better. Spin her around. So yeah. Of course, most people know this is kind of the Mexican version of the American Silver Eagle. It's a nice little government-issued round that you can collect. So it looks good. So 2008, one Anza. And here's the back. So it's got the eagle, snake in its mouth, and some other symbols around there as well. So it looks pretty good. Looks like a pretty standard Libertad. So the first one's a 2008. We saw that. 2008 right up here. And then this one is also a 2008. And this one also is a 2008. And this one also is a 2008. I'm not sure where the various years came from because I was actually hoping to get several different years because I've been trying to collect these and really didn't want all the same one. But it's alright. There's still 999 ounce of silver. It's also a 2008. It's got some toning on there, a little bit of frostiness you can see on there. That's okay. That's what is it? Over 10 years old, working on 11 years old. So that's another 2008, and that is another 2008. And right up here by my finger there. And guess what we have? Another 2008. And then we also have a 2008. And then finally, we have a 2013. So there's 11 of them. And 10 of them are 2008s. And one of them's 2013. So not bad. I did alright on them. I buy Libertads, like I said, once in a while, and I know that especially certain years can be pretty expensive. But because of the auction fees, I ended up paying about $17.40 a piece for them. I always forget about those auction fees, and the fees can be fairly expensive. So my original winning bid was $179, which I thought was fantastic for 11 of them. So if we do 179 divided by 11, it would have been $16.27 a piece. What's that today? That's only about 35-40 cents over spot. And so throw in another $1, and that's about what it worked out to, a little more than $1 for each one. So about $17.40 a piece, and I think that's good. I think that's good for the Libertads. I try to collect, the government issued as well. American Silver Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, and these Libertads. So I'm okay with it. Again, I'd prefer to get a better deal. Who doesn't want a better deal? But in the whole scope of things, a little less than $17.50 a piece is pretty good. So I bought this again off a local auction. This local auction online has a ton of stuff going on almost every week. So I keep an eye on it and take a look and, make some bids. I actually bid on probably 12 different things and only won this one. Again, put in what I'm willing to pay, and if they outbid me, that's fine. And a lot of stuff was outbid, and if you consider the auction fees, just think they may have paid a little too much for it. But still, it all depends on where you're at in your collection, and maybe you want a proof set and just to fill a gap that you're missing, and you want to pay a couple extra bucks for it. But right now, I'm just trying to buy things as cheap as I can, good recognizable things, government issued, constitutional silver, and my goal this year was to buy a 1/4 ounce of gold every month, so better get my butt going on that one. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.